Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. On this episode of RC Terminator, we're going to take the Coyote with the DR10 drag car. Yes, we're going to tow it with the trailer. We're going to try this trailer out. Let's go ahead and get to this video. Got the old DR10 out for a couple test hits. Want to try out the trailer, guys. Not too shabby for a 9-turn 3S motor. Definitely still some traction issues out here where I'm at on this little test hit area. It's covered in dirt, so I can't really get her opened up, but definitely can tell she's faster. Dude, I'm excited. A little bit more tweaking, some gearing maybe, and this thing's gonna be definitely competitive. Definitely good learning curve on drag cars. I'm kind of enjoying it. It's awesome. I'm gonna get some more running in. I'm gonna run this battery down, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. I appreciate it, everybody. Thanks. Perfect drag setup. That's actually kind of cool. No complaints, everybody. It worked out awesome. The Coyote Rampage did what it was supposed to do. It towed the trailer, towed the drag car. Trailer worked out perfect. The drag car worked out perfect. This video was kind of like a little test run on everything to make sure everything worked, and it did. The DR10 ended up doing a motor upgrade, motor and ESC upgrade. Ended up going a 9-turn 4370 kV, which I ordered that off of Amazon, and at the time of this video it was 40 bucks free shipping, so not bad of a price. I'm gonna do some gear changing next time, kind of try to get this thing to hook up. I mean, it's kind of hard to hook up with dirt all over the road anyhow. It's a little breezy here today. And now, if you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Alright, please support me. I appreciate it. Trying to get out real good stuff for you guys. And giveaway for the 450 next video, I'm announcing the winner. So stick around. You might be the lucky winner. And the only way you can be a winner is if you subscribe. So hit that subscribe button. Next giveaway is going to be at 600. So make sure you're subscribed. You have to enter for to be eligible. Now, if you guys are just subscribing, hit my next video back, giveaway number 3. I'll put it up here for you guys. Alright? I'll put it up here. Guys, click on that so you guys can go check out that video so you guys can register to enter. But you have to be subscribed. Give the video a thumbs up. Alright? Now, I appreciate it, everybody. Thank you for tuning back in to RC Terminator. And we're going to catch you guys next time. See you later.